here in Imo State. Before now, Orlu used to be a hot zone in the sense that when you come to Orlu on Mondays, you see that there's less activity because of the sit-at. People from this axis actually take the sit-at serious, so they don't even come out on Mondays. By the time it was time and effort to try to convince them, to try to convince the locals to come back, let them come and take back their community. But even as we speak, there's nothing happening. So now we're going to Osmogu, where I will hand you over to 302 General Support Regiment. I will show you the other FOB, which is FOB Orsu. You see how deserted the whole place is. So this is FOB Orlu. This is part of the FOBs we use to conduct our operations from this axis. So much has been done. The last operation we conducted was at Mbitoli, that's B44 camp, where we were able to exhume some corpses after we captured the camp. We were able to exhume some corpses because we saw that they were freshly dug graves, shallow graves and everything. So on our way, you have more. But if you have any question for now, you can ask.
Yeah, so what is the situation with the sit-at right now?
It's no more. I think the locals are already understanding that for now, sir, I think maybe we should just go to the also. So I'll let you know as we go.
We find a way that the chairman will come out to ID, the coordinator will come out to at least.
The security situation in Orlu has come down now, like before. Before we are running this banana junction, we don't have rights in this banana junction. But I thank God that the governor of Imo State have done it for us. And we are thanking him to do more again.
Generally, the security situation in this Orlu East, you maybe have been hearing about it. Sometimes we hearing gunshots everywhere. So when things like that happens, people will dodge. They'll go to their houses and stay. And things has made these people, the young men, they have all gone away, run away.
So, but right now, how is it like?
Right now, the thing I think I can't say that there are much improvements now, but I think things are getting better. Things are getting better.
Where you are coming from, we cover the popular patrols, and then left or right.
Yeah, I'm Colonel NB Abubakar, That's Mohammed Bello Abubakar. I'm the Commander 302 Artillery Regiment and also double as Commander Sector 5 Operation Udoka, which covers the entire southeastern part of this country. Where we are here is Osomogu, where in 2022 was known as a very notorious area as regards to the activities of Eastern Security Network, criminals, and IPOB, that is indigenous people of Biafra criminals. This location where you are now, we came here actually not just strolling in here. We fought our ways to come here, and we're still fighting to remain here. We fight day and night. We attack them. They also bring some attacks which are normally neutralized. Why is this place very important to them? It may interest you to note that this place, this Osomogu, not too far from where they call Moda Valley, is just part of the camp, all this place where we are. Now, they have been in this place since 2017. So it has been like a fortress where they have become fully established. So because of that, they do everything possible to ensure that they are not dislodged from this location. So that's why the fight is on. And this location gives them an easy access to the expressway, that is Onitsha-Owerri Expressway, where they conduct their nefarious activities. That is kidnapping, snatching of vehicles, and stuff like that. And when they kidnap, they normally bring them into this area through this place where you are. So establishing any location here means denying them that aspect of their criminal activities. And we all know with time, even the locals have now realized that as before, these people posed like protectors to them. They came to protect them. But with time, they now understood that the people are just pure criminals involved in kidnapping activities. All the social vices is what they do here. So with time, they have understood that, look, these people, they don't have any interest of the Southeast. They don't have any interest of any average Nigerian and even humanity. They do all the heinous crimes here just to instill fear in the minds of the locals. As far back as that 2022, locals were not really cooperating with us, thinking that we are coming as to either kill them or to subject them into unnecessary troubles. But as it is now, the locals also have understood that we are the people coming to save them, not the criminals that have been parading themselves all along as saviors. So information is quite more often now. They give us information, unlike before, where when they see us, they just run away. The communities you see here around, Asia community, Mbosi community, Iseke community that you pass through to come here, those communities as far back as 2022, they were deserted communities. Even some early 2023, those communities were deserted because people were never in those communities because the bandits have chased them away. But with our presence here, people are coming back. Gradually, the communities are picking up. Everybody, most of them, especially the communities behind us, are back. Adjacent to us are also coming back. And the information, the sharing of concern is more now. The communities are ready to help the security agencies. And with our non-kinetic aspect of the operation, entering the communities, I'm sure the situation will keep improving day by day.
That's part of the non-kinetic approach.
I don't put this one here.
You will not put it on.
I'll send it to you.
There's nothing wrong with that. This is part of non-kinetic approach. I said this is part of non-kinetic that we are located.